Hello again. Today I want to share with you a worksheet activity that you can do to check off that therapy box on your to-do list. This worksheet is one I've sent to a few students, and it's called Problem Solving in the Community. Right now, we're staying at home. We need to know who to talk to and what we could say. This activity sheet is designed to help you identify the people you can say in that circumstance. I want you to do most of the work on your own on this sheet or with some help from a parent or a family member, but I will walk you through the first two just so you have some examples. The sheet begins, when you are in the community and a problem occurs, you might need to ask for help. In these situations, identify who you would talk to and what you would say to get help. So let's look at just the first two. I'm going to narrow this down so we don't work too far ahead. The first one says, you see smoke and flames coming out of a house. Who do you need to talk to? Right. The community person or the community helper you would talk to would be a firefighter or a fire department. You would reach them most likely by calling 911. So I box who can help with 911 or firefighter. Once I know that I need to call 911 and I need to talk to the firefighters, then I move on to, what do you say? When you call 911 or talk to the firefighters, you would want to be specific about the problem and say, I see smoke and flames coming out of a house. They would then ask you where you are or what the address is so they would know where the fire department can help. So for what to say, I would go back to the facts at the beginning and restate them. I see smoke and fire coming out of a house. Or some version of that. So you would fill in your second box with what you would say to get the help that you need. Let's look at the second example, and then you'll be ready to do the rest on your own. This says, you're at the park and you don't see anyone you know. You are lost. Who can help you if you're out at the park and you're lost? I would think the best community helper in that circumstance would be a police officer. You could look around and see if you see one who's patrolling the park to keep people safe. If you don't, it might be a circumstance again where you might want to call 911. So for this, I will put police officer. But if it was a circumstance where you didn't see a police officer around, you could call 911 to ask for a police officer. And then, what do you say? Go back to this and make it a statement that you could say, explaining your problem. I'm at the park and I'm lost. After you said that, they might ask you for your name and some other information so they can get you the help you need. Practicing what you're going to say or family member or you. Let me know. I think I hit end 3 times, just the internet's running slow.
Oh, okay.